Casio, my friends, has been a really good company if we see it from the perspective of electronics and watches, chronographs. Welcome to the Robin Sharma TV. Here in this video, I'll be showing you the new Casio calculator FX series. So let me open this. So this is the Casio fx-991EX class with. This one is a really powerful calculator. Actually, not a calculator, this may be regarded as a computer. The only difference is you can play a game on it. But for some of you, mathematics is itself a game. So I'll be telling you some of its functions. So let's switch it on. So guys, first of all, we know if we do 1 plus 1, we get 2. But actually, what you can do here is that various other functions, like you can calculate basic mathematical arithmetic. Here it's for complex arithmetic. This is for swapping the bases, like if you want to convert it into binary or hexadecimal or octal number system, you know that. And this one is matrix, spreadsheet, distribution graphs, statistic graphs. This one is really good for you entrepreneur guys. And this one is for vectors, table, equation, function, inequality, ratio. You guys see this layout? It's really cool. Looks like a retro video game. So here we go back. Now suppose guys you want to work in fractions. You gotta press is this button over here, fraction. You can input an improper fraction like 8 go down by 9, which will give you 8 by 9. And to convert this one into decimal, you got to press this button. S implies D, which says, so we're going to press this. So you see this. You got to convert it back by pressing it again. So this one is really awesome. If you want to input a mixed fraction, what you got to do is that press shift over here. This sign comes over here. This means that you have pressed shift, as we have. This shift basically will shift the control over to these yellow ones you can see. If you haven't pressed shift, these functions written over the buttons will be performed, and if you have pressed shift, these yellow ones will be performed. As we have pressed shift, and if we press this one, the mixed fraction option will appear, as you can see over the screen. So let's try 8 down. 53 by 9. This is correct indeed. Guys, another interesting option here is this QR one. I really like this one because if you do this, shift and QR, a QR code is generated which you can scan using your computer. The format can also be changed of this QR by just press the on button again, press shift, setup, go down, down, down. Here we get QR code. So we go to press 2. Now the QR format for a calculation will come out to be the same format. For the different one, go back to this setup, QR code. We will put version 3, perform the same calculation again, shift, QR. You can see the difference in this one and the previous one. And so some new features are this integration. We can perform integration, or we can do logarithmic functions, sine, cos, tan. You press shift and sine, you will get sine inverse. Shift and cos, cos inverse. And same is with tan. There is under root function. And the killer one is that you can also perform permutations and combinations. The option is you gotta press shift in this. Here it's P. The permutation of 8 objects with 2 taken 2 at a time is 56. It's well versed with the calculations. And now another thing is that a lot of data is available on this calculator. If we press on shift and this constant, which is given over the top of 7. These are various constants, like if we go to universal constant, and the first one we can see is the Planck's constant. We press on 1 and press is equals to. This is the value of Planck constant. This is the actual value. So guys, the last thing I'd like to show you is the spreadsheet option. You can store a hell lot of data here. To perform any statistics you want. So guys, this was the Casio fx-991EX. Comes with a solar panel and battery, replaceable button cells. So guys, this was Casio. Stay tuned and keep on calculating, guys. Thank you.